I'm walking from Borough Market towards London Bridge. धूप निकला है, काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. It's literally kind of 6 degrees, but जो हवा चल रही है, the breeze is very strong and makes you feel like it's 4 degrees or 5 degrees around. Looks so pretty. ये शिप किसका है? So this is some old ship which they have preserved, and they have kept some donation box so that people can donate and help them preserve it for maintenance. So you can see there's people still doing some maintenance work. I think it's from the 1800s or 1700s. I think इस ship का tour भी होता है. यहाँ पे एक ticket office भी है. Oh yes. Water view. It's amazing. मतलब ये चल के आ गया मैं, but this is not the right direction towards London Bridge actually. And I think चलते चलते आ गया. And this is like a restaurant kind of a place. It's like a brewery around here. हाँ, तो मुझे ये वाला रास्ता लेना था जहाँ पे अभी मैं चल रहा हूँ. This one, but I took the wrong one. But wrong one लेके एक अच्छा व्यू मिल गया, बहुत सुंदर सा. And it was really majestic. काफ़ी देर तक वहाँ पे रुका, कुछ फ़ोटोज़ लिए. It was nice. तो अभी मैं कैमडन टाउन में आ गया हूँ, and this is Camden Town just behind me. I'll be going around, I'll be showing and recording without showing much of my face. It's not very pleasant, so let's go.
soap program.
Yes, please.
Thank you. Chicken roll, please.
So as you can see, Camden town is really bustling and there's a lot of people. You can come here, you can have different types of food, different types of cuisine, drinks, and sit. You can also sit by the canal. There's some benches around there. You can sit by the canal and you can have your pizza, get some beer from Tesco. वहाँ पे बैठ के आराम से just have your time, and you can come on dates also. वहाँ पे like get your date, get nice pizzas or nice जो भी, whatever you want to get, that's up to you. But yeah, you can sit there, chill and talk. Also you can come and do a lot of shopping from here. So I'm living at Finsbury Park. अब कुछ dinner करने जा रहा हूँ. Literally felt like having ramen because there's a nice ramen shop around here. So gonna have the ramen and we'll show you how it is. So let's check out. So that's the menu, and I'm gonna have keki kara, which is like pork broth enriched with lardo and soy sauce base, fermented scotch bonnet mash, homemade noodles topped with roast pork belly, kiku, rage, spring onions and seasoned eggs. That's kind of my stuff. So that's the pork gyoza. Looks just fine. So my keki kara has arrived and it looks sumptuous. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, and it's like a proper ramen place. Tonkotsu ramen. Let's see how it is. I'm not tasted, but by the looks of it, looks really nice. So that's my ramen. Okay, so now I'm gonna start having this ramen. Let's have a taste of the broth. The broth is amazing. It's got really intense flavors. The seasoning is just right, and it has a nice kick to it, which is the spicy version of tonkotsu. Let's have a taste of the pork. Pork is amazingly done. It's well braised. This ramen is the best I've had. Like, I've had few in India, but not really like this. I think because of the produce. I would give this somewhere around 8 out of 10 because, like, obviously nothing is perfect. Not being mean, but काफी अच्छा है. But I would want to try more. This is amazing, amazing. Like, I had no idea that I was living near to some place like this, and it's nice that I tried it out. This is almost finished, and we had gyoza, we had some cauliflower Manchurian. It's not cauliflower Manchurian, but yeah, resembles like that. But काफी अच्छा था. and I'm literally in food orgasm right now, because the flavors are so distinct. The broth's flavor was amazing. It has just the right amount of meatiness in it and the sharpness with the chilies. I'm sweating. It's almost 10 degrees or 8 degrees outside, but I'm still sweating with the food, so the food is nice. I would recommend anyone to come over here if anyone's near Finsbury Park. So it's called Tonkotsu Ramen, and they have several other outlets around London and outskirts. So do try them. It's really good. Good morning. काफ़ी ओवरकास्ट कंडीशंस है आज सुबह, तो आई एम गोइंग बैक टू मैनचेस्टर. आज लंदन विक्टोरिया कोच स्टेशन से बस है नेशनल एक्सप्रेस का, एंड आई एम एट विक्टोरिया अंडरग्राउंड स्टेशन. अभी अब जस्ट निकला हूँ, एंड लिटरली द विंड इज़ सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. सी मतलब बहुत तेज़ हवा है, बहुत ज़्यादा. It's like proper resistance, चल भी नहीं पा रहा हूँ, but it is how what it is. And the thing is that I'll take my bus, I'll go to Manchester. That's the end of the London trip for me.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of bird.